Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. A happy new year, because I'm obviously posting this video in 2021 and I really hope you had amazing holidays and better here. Obviously we all hope for it. Anyway, if you're new here, welcome. In today's video we're going to basically reorganize my fridge and my pantry. I don't really have a pantry, so I will show you later what exactly is my real pantry. It's a small flat, so if you have if you want some ideas for the pantry, you're welcome to take it from this video. So now I'm going to start from the fridge. As you can see, I'm basically emptying the fridge, so I'm just gonna remove everything from inside, and I will then clean everything with just water. To be honest, in the fridge I don't like to put any soap, so I just use my microfiber cloth and hot water basically. And then after I cleaned everything and everywhere, I will put everything again inside. And another thing I wanted to ask you is if you know how to remove the dirty spot. As you can see in the fridge, I've got next to the light like a real light brown spot, like rectangular. As I said, I don't use any soap inside the fridge, so hot water didn't really work, to be honest. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Thank you. Okay guys, pantry time now. These are the boxes I bought on Amazon. The labels come with them. I will see if I can leave the link below if I find it again on Amazon. As you can see, my pantry is basically this big shelf I've got in the corridor in front of the kitchen. My boyfriend put it there for me a while ago because of course it's a small flat and the kitchen is really small, as you know. And I didn't like the fact that I couldn't have a proper storage place, as we don't really have a lot of cabinets in the kitchen. So I found this one really helpful. So I built it this way. As you can see, there is 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves. Actually there are 5, but the 5th one is the top, that you can definitely use with no problem. So I basically have 4 of this one, and this is how it is now. And I'm going to show you how after cleaning and throwing away a few things that I don't use it anymore, I will show you how it turns out. So stay tuned. Okay, now we go to the kitchen again. This is one of my cabinet. As I said in the beginning, I don't have too many, but I really love the idea to show you how it turns out after cleaning and reorganizing. Okay guys, now it's all done, clean and tidy. I hope you really liked the video of today. As you can see now, it is much cleaner the view. I can definitely see everything I need. It's all tidy and it has a really fashion view for me. I really hope you enjoyed the video of today, and I hope to see you in the next video. Let me know all your thoughts, please leave in the comments below, and I see you next time. Bye.